Hi. In this video, we'll be looking at how you can use our Google Drive file uploader feature. This feature can be handy if you need your clients to be able to upload documents or other files during booking. Let's start by navigating to the Custom Features page of your Simply Book Me account to enable the file uploader feature. Once enabled, click the Authorization button to connect the Google account that you would like to use. You'll be prompted to log in or choose your account and allow Simply Book Me to access it. Once you're authorized, you can add an intake form and/or a client field that will allow your clients to upload their files when they book with you or during sign-up respectively. Please enable the feature that you would like to use if you haven't enabled it previously. Create a new form, add a title, and choose File Uploader Google Drive as the file type. Make sure to save changes, and voila! Your clients can now upload the necessary files during booking or when signing up, depending on what you've configured. You'll be able to access the files by clicking on the booking in your backend calendar if you used an intake form, or by going to Manage Clients and clicking Edit to access any given client's record. If you've found this video helpful, you can subscribe to our YouTube channel as well as follow our social media pages below. Thank you for choosing Simply Book Me.